Chair, I may need to confirm whether the regulation allowed the ECM to make that particular decision.
But I think you have a very qualified people. Your Kagini was a fund manager by then. He's aware. Can he tell us whether the CC trade had the power to release money from TETHEKA fund to other departments, or otherwise to give the power to borrow? No. Thank you.
We did a very conclusive handover, which involved all the documents that we had handled through TETHEKA. We handed over a file and we kept a file for references. So I can confirm that all documents pertaining TETHEKA fund were handed over. And we even
are you sure the letters are there, the 2 letters of DOL? That's what we asked.
What I'm sure of is that we handed over all the materials, and I made sure that there was a checklist.
Waziri, I want you to be clear. Did you see any of the correspondences? Any? Yes or no? This is a very sensitive matter. You cannot tell me you handed over 73 million to somebody and then you did not see anything. Even to date, you've not seen it 5 months down the lane. Yeah? So, did you see any?
I can't confirm on whether the letters were there, but what I can confirm to this committee is that all the file that we had from TETHEKA fund, we were able to hand over the
according to the information from the people in the two groups. There are one instruction: if they come here to your office or the office of the trade, the office of the trade to call to World Credit Committee instructing them to award that person. You mean you are not aware of that?
Diana, you are not aware of that?
I am not, but from my recollection of how TETHEKA was working in products, I know how the agriculture products were working. When a department has a new product, it is your responsibility to prevent your applicants, so that by the time it goes to the ward committee, as a department you are kind of taking responsibility and saying, if it is a farmer, yes, we confirm that this person is engaged in dairy or they are doing mango farming or something. So it is possible also for these ones, because they were cooperatives, those groups, the ones that borrowed, they were strictly cooperatives. So it is possible that they were checked by the directorate first before they went to the ward.
So it is true some instructions were given to the ward committee. You can advance so and so. The Veterinary Moha is good. Yeah.
It was not individuals, Chair.
Yeah, it was not individuals.
Or through the chair, when a cooperative has been vetted at the director level, at the headquarter here, is definitely a ward trade committee has no authority to reject or refer for further amendment of a requirement for some part. Definitely. That could be the reason for.
What you're telling us that the department was final for me. So the ward committee was just a proxy.
I wouldn't say that. And I would refer you to the same question you asked me about the letter from the ECM Finance. You see, if the director for cooperatives, and I'm assuming, I'm talking abstract, I'm not sure whether she wrote anything, says, I have looked at this cooperative, because there are books that are looked into, and they are okay to be given money. It is not absolute that that same group will be given money.
According to you, was that lawful? Was it right, according to you? Are you following the regulations? Or is something that you try to put up so that you can have some efficiency in the running of the fund?
Just before,
Or what was it?
Chair, just before Gazelle answers that, because he has much more hands-on information on this. When I looked through the file, I saw that there was a criteria, there was a requirement that had been set by the department. And part of that was that if this is a farmer, then that application will need to have been certified by the Ward Agriculture Officer or the Ward Livestock Officer, so that then there is verification that indeed this is a farmer. So that is part of what I saw as a requirement that agriculture department.
So you are telling us that was not known to the committee, the county committee? Or it was known?
You can answer that whether that
The special conditions was known to the county committee. However, the form had to pass through our office so that we go through it and make sure that all the conditions were met.